Your entire day can be hijacked by a thought that lasted 3 seconds. And the worst part? You usually don't even remember what started it. By 3 p.m., you just feel off. Lower energy, lower patience, higher threat detection. And you assume today is just a bad day. It isn't. It's a system error. You're running an emotional state that expired hours ago, and your brain never told you. This is the affective persistence glitch. Your hardware is experiencing what we call state stickiness. When an emotional state activates, your brain doesn't just register it, it switches operating modes. It changes what you notice, what you ignore, and how you interpret neutral events. The problem is simple and dangerous. Your system has no automatic reset. It doesn't know how to unload an emotion just because the scene changed. So the stress from breakfast stays loaded. It colors a meeting at 10, a message at noon, your focus at 4. You aren't having a bad day. You're running an emotional state that doesn't belong in the room anymore. Stop trying to think your way out of a feeling. You're trying to solve a physiological state with a cognitive tool. And emotions don't work like thoughts. They have inertia. They don't disappear when you figure things out. They linger in your nervous system like an app running in the background, draining battery even when you're not looking at it. That's why you need the state reset protocol. Not mindfulness, not reflection, a hard interrupt. Step 1. State flagging. The moment you feel that heavy emotional fog, label it. Not emotionally, technically. Say, this is residual mood. This is persistence, not evidence. The second you name the state, you break fusion. You stop treating the feeling like reality. Now it's just a flagged process, not the operating system. Step 2. Hard context break. You must interrupt the loop physically, not mentally. 60 seconds is enough. Change rooms, cold water, look at something far away, change posture, change lighting. This is not calming down. This is forcing your nervous system to drop the previous scene. You're breaking physiological continuity. Step 3. Re-entry check. Now ask one question. Did this feeling start here, or did I bring it with me? If you brought it, you are not allowed to use it as decision data. No interpretations, no conclusions, no story building, only observation. You're not having a bad day. And resets are allowed. If this happens to you, this is only a surface layer. Tap the screen to watch the full report and subscribe. Drop in the comments what tiny thing usually ruins your day. Stay awake. The system is always running.